पर सेबी चेयरपर्सन फिलहाल संबोधन यहां पर दे रही हैं। सीधा वहीं का रुख करते हैं।
We have seen this repeatedly. I think the most recent evidence of this is that when SEBI launched a concept called small and medium REITs, we saw that the response from the industry was very, very positive. They wanted to be regulated. They were operating in an unregulated environment, and they were suffering from the fact that investors did not have faith and trust in their products and services because it was unregulated. They weren't sure that the offerers, the organizations will follow any rules. So when we propose that we will bring a framework for small and medium REITs, the industry actually came forward and said we would like to be regulated, we would like compliances, because that is what will foster trust in the system and will facilitate growth. So compliance is important not just for the investor, but also for the business. Both of them benefit from the requirement of protection of the consumer. Now, when we talk about compliances, there are two aspects to it. And when we say ease of doing business, there are two aspects to it. The first is running the business itself. How easy is it to run the business? And the second is, how easy is it to comply with the rules and regulations? In terms of business, the first and foremost that any entity asks the question, and particularly fintechs, saying, am I allowed to do this or am I not? It's a yes-no question. Now, where does innovation come? Innovation usually comes at the boundaries of the yes and no. That is why it is innovative. If everything was clearly in the yes and clearly in the no, there would be no innovation. So when innovation comes, it's usually in the gray areas between yes and no. And the important thing is what guides a regulator, that which out of those grays are light gray and can be moved to white, and which of those are dark gray and must be banned. So the principles that we as regulators follow.
तो सेबी चेयरपर्सन माधवीपुरी बुच ग्लोबल फिनटेक फेस्ट में बोलती हुई और वहां पर उन्होंने कंप्लायंस की अहमियत पर खासा जोर दिया। उन्होंने बताया कि सेबी की पूरी अवधारणा ही रेगुलेशन पे टिकी हुई थी और खुद निवेशक जो है और कारोबारी थे वो चाहते थे कि उन्हें रेगुलेट किया जाए, क्योंकि जिस तरह से वो एक दौर में अनरेगुलेटेड सिस्टम में काम करते थे। और उनका मानना है कि कंप्लायंस न सिर्फ कारोबारियों के हितों में है बल्कि निवेशकों की हितों की भी सुरक्षा जो है वो कंप्लायंसेस के जरिए होती है, रेगुलेशंस के जरिए होती है। चलिए